Did you know that 63% of adults worldwide lack financial literacy? This isn't just an alarming statistic, it's a global crisis that affects us all. Financial literacy, or the lack of it, shapes our lives, our communities, and our world. Without it, people are left unprepared to navigate the complexities of personal finance, unable to make informed decisions about their money. This isn't just about paying bills or avoiding debt. It's about understanding how money works, how to make it, save it, and grow it. It's about achieving financial independence. Unfortunately, for the majority of adults around the globe, financial literacy remains an elusive concept. But why is financial literacy so important? Well, it's the key to financial independence, to making your money work for you rather than the other way around. It's the difference between living paycheck to paycheck and building wealth. Today, we're changing that narrative for you. Welcome to a transformative journey towards financial independence. This journey is not about chasing quick riches or finding a secret money-making formula. Instead, it's about understanding how money works, setting clear financial goals, and making informed decisions that align with these goals. This journey includes developing sources of passive income, so your money continues to grow even when you're not actively working. It also involves saving wisely, investing smartly, and understanding the power of compound interest. But remember, financial independence isn't just about money. It's also about investing in yourself, in your education, skills, and personal development. And it's about living below your means, making choices that prioritize your long-term financial health over short-term gratification. As we navigate this journey together, keep in mind that the road to financial independence is not a sprint, but a marathon. It's not just about making money, it's about making your money work for you. The first step to financial freedom is setting clear, achievable financial goals. Think about what you want your life to look like in 5, 10, or even 20 years. Do you dream of owning a home, starting a business, or traveling the world? Maybe you're striving for the freedom to retire early. Whatever your dreams may be, they won't become reality without a plan. Financial goals give you a target to aim for. They're like the North Star guiding sailors at sea, providing direction amidst the unpredictability of life. But it's not enough to simply say, "I want to be rich." You need specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals, or what we call SMART goals. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save money," set a goal to save $30,000 in 3 years for a down payment on a house. This goal is specific, you can measure progress, it's achievable with discipline, it's relevant to your dream of homeownership, and it's time-bound with a 3-year deadline. Once you've set your goals, the next step is to create a plan. This is where the rubber meets the road. Your plan should detail the steps you'll take to achieve your goals. If your goal is to save $30,000 in 3 years, your plan might include strategies like cutting back on non-essential expenses, increasing your income through a side job, or investing in assets that grow your wealth. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. But with a clear vision and a detailed roadmap, you're well on your way to achieving financial freedom. Now, setting financial goals and creating a plan might seem daunting, but don't worry, it's okay to start small and adjust your goals as you gain more knowledge and experience. The important thing is to start, because every journey, no matter how long, begins with a single step. A detailed plan is your roadmap to success. Keep this in mind as we continue our journey toward financial independence. Passive income is not just a buzzword, it's a strategy for building wealth while you sleep. Imagine the satisfaction of waking up to see that while you were dreaming, your bank account was growing. This is the power of passive income. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is passive income? Well, it's income that you earn with minimal effort or active involvement. It's about creating multiple streams of revenue that continue to flow, even when you're not working. One of the most common sources of passive income is real estate. Whether it's rental properties or real estate investment trusts, owning property can provide a steady stream of income. It might require an initial investment, but the returns can be substantial and consistent. But real estate isn't the only way to earn passive income. Have you ever considered investing in the stock market? Dividend stocks are a great way to generate income. These are shares in companies that pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders. By investing in dividend stocks, you can earn money regularly without selling your investment. Another source of passive income is peer-to-peer lending. By lending money to individuals or small businesses online, you can earn interest on your loan. It's like being a bank, but without the brick and mortar. Or perhaps you have a knack for creating digital products. From ebooks to online courses, digital products can be created once and sold repeatedly, generating income over time. Each of these methods requires some initial effort or investment, but once set up, they can generate income with little to no daily input from you. And the best part, you're not trading time for money. This means you can focus on what you love while your passive income streams work in the background. So, let's recap. Passive income allows you to earn money with minimal effort, providing a steady stream of revenue that can contribute to your financial independence. From real estate to dividend stocks, peer-to-peer lending, and digital products, there are numerous ways to establish passive income streams. Creating a stream of income that doesn't require your daily input can significantly boost your financial independence. By mastering the art of passive income, you're not just building wealth, you're building a life of financial freedom. The foundation of financial independence is saving and investing wisely. This statement rings true for every individual, regardless of their financial standing. When we talk about saving and investing wisely, we're referring to three key aspects: creating an emergency fund, understanding the power of compound interest, and executing effective investment strategies. An emergency fund acts as a safety net, providing financial security in times of unexpected expenses. This fund should ideally cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Having this cushion allows you to handle financial surprises without derailing your long-term financial plans or resorting to high-interest debt. Next, let's unravel the magic of compound interest. Albert Einstein once called compound interest the most powerful force in the universe, and for a good reason. Compound interest is essentially interest on interest. It can significantly amplify your savings or investments over time, as the interest you earn is reinvested, creating a snowball effect. The key here is to start early. The longer you let your money compound, the more it grows. Finally, let's delve into the world of investments. Diversification is a paramount strategy that involves spreading your investments across various assets to mitigate risk. Whether it's stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds, a well-diversified portfolio can provide steady returns and protect your wealth from market volatility. Remember, investing isn't about getting rich quick, it's about consistent growth over time. It's important to align your investment strategy with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Consider seeking advice from a financial advisor to make informed decisions. In conclusion, the journey to financial independence involves more than just making money. It's about strategic saving, harnessing the power of compound interest, and investing wisely. It's not about how much you earn, but how much you keep and grow. This mantra should guide your financial decisions, leading you to a future of financial security and independence. Investing in yourself is the best investment you'll ever make. This isn't just a catchy phrase, it's a fundamental truth. In the world of finance, assets aren't just properties or stocks. They're also the skills and knowledge you carry with you. Education plays a key role here. This could be formal education like getting a degree or certification, or it could be self-taught knowledge from books, online courses, or mentors. The more you know, the more valuable you become. Next, consider skill acquisition. This involves learning new abilities that can enhance your income or even create new income streams. For example, learning digital marketing could open doors to freelance opportunities or even starting your own business. Lastly, personal development is critical. This includes improving your communication skills, leadership abilities, and emotional intelligence. These traits can help you advance in your career and increase your earning potential. Continuous learning and self-improvement can significantly boost your financial trajectory. Living below your means doesn't have to mean sacrificing your quality of life. It's about understanding your financial landscape and making intentional decisions. Consider this: instead of buying that brand new car, what if you invest in a pre-loved model and save the difference? Or instead of eating out every day, how about honing your culinary skills and creating your favorite meals at home? These are not sacrifices, but choices that not only save you money, but can also enrich your life in unexpected ways. Imagine the satisfaction of driving a car you know you got a great deal on, or the pride in serving a meal you cooked yourself. And all the while, your savings account is growing, paving the way to your financial freedom. Remember, it's not about penny pinching or depriving yourself, it's about making smart choices that align with your financial goals. And that, my friends, is key to achieving financial independence. We've unveiled the secrets to financial independence, but knowledge without action is meaningless. We started with understanding the importance of setting clear, achievable financial goals, a roadmap to your success. We then explored the concept of passive income, a strategy that allows your wealth to grow even while you sleep. We delved into the foundation of financial independence, emphasizing the significance of saving and investing wisely. It's not about how much you earn, but how much you keep and grow. We also highlighted the importance of investing in yourself, a crucial step to increase your earning potential. And finally, we looked at the concept of living below your means, making smart choices that align with your financial goals. But remember, these are just the first steps on your journey to financial freedom. It's time to take control of your finances and your future. If you're ready to take the next step towards financial freedom, like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear this message, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on personal finance and wealth-building strategies. Your journey to financial independence starts now.